Okay, so here we are again with Dog and Baby World. You can see that we have the portable AC running in the back, and everybody's hanging out as usual. Kiki's telling Monty, no, don't grab me. It's gonna be hot here today. So this video is a review of a few things. Monty's wearing honest diapers. I like them, and especially if you're the type of person that can't get lots of stuff all the time easily. Like, we live in Ojai, so it's kind of hard to get a lot of stuff. We'd have to drive like half an hour to Target or whatever. It's cool to just get a bunch of stuff delivered to the house. And they're cute. And you don't feel that boring leaving them in a diaper because, hey, God, they're really going for it. It still looks cute. Oh! Oh. We just adopted her and she's so good. Oh. You can tell my bed's never made. It's always just crazy. There's no point. They just wrestle in it all day. Oh, the other thing that I was gonna review. That's so cute. Oh, she's licking him in the mouth. And biting her little harness thing. Are you cuddling with her? Gentle. Oh. No. Oh, it's so rough sometimes. Gentle. But she just licks him. Gentle. I mean, sometimes she'll bite a little bit, but not really. Oh my God. Ow. I don't want to be in on that. Gentle. No. Oh my God. Oh, Iggy. She's so sweet. Unlike Kiki. Kiki's like, I don't want to part in that. Oh, I love her though. Yeah. Monty. So, the other thing I was going to review is acrylic nails for moms. I just got this ring too. Anyway, I support acrylic nails for moms. I never had them until a month ago, but they're actually really handy. They're like tools. And then you always can feel a little bit fabulous, even though you're usually covered in poop and vomit and pee and spit up and dirt. You can at least have a little bit of a flash. I also switched to liquid eyeliner just because I'm constantly rubbing my eyes or something now, so I couldn't do the other one. And I curl my hair a little bit some days, just a little something, but I don't wear even half as much makeup as I used to, or spend as much time getting crimping. It's not worth it. Did you see that? I'll switch sides. WrestleMania. And actually, this type of portable air conditioner, high hair, it's pretty good. It's just keeps it pretty cool. Oops. You okay, Monty? You get up? I just didn't want him to feel abandoned, but he could have gotten up. He's sliding on the messed up sheet. And we just got back from the library. They were having a little kids thing. It was cute. Get frustrated. Well, now you know my opinion on honest diapers, higher air conditioners, and acrylic nails. Just do it. They're all good. And as always, say yes to Jack and his chins.